In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to dispose of a rental asset. First, to do some explaining, we'll go to the rental inventory, and I will look at this asset. So you'll note I have one on hand, so I'm able to put it on a miscellaneous invoice. And if I go to the asset tag, I can see that we have a quantity on hand, we have the original quantity, and we have a cost. Notice it's active. And once I'm out of here, then I'm satisfied I will be able to dispose of it. So step one, I will go to the counter, miscellaneous invoices. I will create an invoice and I will put it, my customer will be my internal customer. Let's see, who I have. So look down here, I have an internal customer. I don't need a site. I don't need very much information. I just want to accept here. I'm going to add a note. Disposing for lost equipment. Okay. Now, what I will do is I will put that product on my invoice. And as I do that, I have to change the R to an S. That is because we are actually selling it, we are not renting it. I'm going to relieve one, and this is how much it will be. I'm going to say $0 because I don't want to sell it to myself and pay me. I'm just disposing of it. So when I accept that, I have an invoice, okay, and then I'll just say okay. Now what I want to demonstrate is what that activity has done now to the inventory item itself. So if I go into change mode and go to -00, now you'll notice that I no longer have an on-hand quantity, but my asset tag is still fully functional. Once I go to the daily close, that's when I will update the tag. So during the daily close, I will do my invoice edit. And it's going to show my $0 invoice. Then I'm going to do the daily close 2. This just generates the postings for me. And then when I go to the post invoices, it's going to update my tag. And you'll notice here that my invoice, the cost of goods sold, and my rental assets. If I say yes, the process has been complete. And I will show you that on the inventory itself. Now, as you note, on the right-hand side, I no longer have an on-hand quantity, but when I go to the asset tag, it has been marked as disposed. You'll notice that the original quantity is 1, but now I have an original or a quantity sold of 1. Only the system can allow this to happen. And now you'll also see that anything that I have accumulated disposals is the entire amount. This process would have also reversed any accumulated depreciation that I had and posted as an expense for the year end.